Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be styling this wig for you guys. This is a wig that I made myself and colored myself. I will list the link to that video below. I'm putting it on my little mannequin head, which it looks really cute on her. I'm going to put it on her and go ahead and start to style it. I'm going to throw some easy, cute flat iron curls into the hair. I'm not going to talk through this whole video. I'm just going to kind of give y'all the gist and then I'm going to leave. So the first thing I'm going to do is straighten out the section that I'm working with just so that it'll already be nice and pressed. And so curling with the flat iron definitely takes practice. As you can see, I'm going to take the flat iron, bend it, and I'm just going to pull straight out. The slower you go, the more of a curl that you will have, and you want to put a little bit of tension on the hair to create that curl. And so that's how I'm going to be doing this whole wig to put some really nice curls into it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to play you guys a little bit of music, and yeah, enjoy.